from the state of Victoria. Congratulations to Jaden Van Dord. The first name we draw of this one will win the GQ, and the second name we pull out will get that CRF 450. Slower than that, it's just holding them all the way. That's a ticket. Very difficult if you want to. Oh, he did it, he did it, he did it, he did it, and he passed to Corey. Alright, close her up. Mark Blignort. You are the winner of the GQ. Give her a little spinsy. Slowest spin ever. Yeah, just one. Pick someone special. One. Just one? Drop one. Oh. Bad luck, whoever those two were. He got one. Give it to Corey. WA. Kieran Franks. Congratulations. Just got down to Mark's place. And here he is. G'day, mate.
How are you going?
Massive congrats.
Thank you very much.
Winning this beast. You obviously expected to win it.
Oh, expected. Expected a big word, but no, definitely didn't. Went in the S13, but did this.
This will do.
This will do for now.
We're back to the teen you got. How would you say you were?
19.
19. Smells nice. Smells like a GQ. Hello there.
Hey mate, how's it going?
Not too bad. How are you?
Just chilling at work. I'm smoking right now, so.
Yeah, nice. What are the chances? So actually, down at Mark's house, giving away the GQ, or giving the GQ to him right now.
Oh no, I bet he's fucking stoked.
He is. What do you actually do?
Mobile plant fitter, mechanic.
Yeah, nice. No idea what that is, but.
Alright.
Anyway, yeah, massive congratulations on winning the CRF 450.
Fucking nice, bro. Yeah, I was stoked, man. I was having a shit day too. I was working on an absolute piece of shit loader, and then yeah, got a message and looked at the Facebook post. Yeah.
You're like, it is me. It's not the
ran around telling everybody else like.
You're like, wow, it's not the actual, not the scammer going around telling everyone they've won. You actually won.
Yeah, well, all the boys reckon it's a fucking scam. I was like, I don't know, man. Like, they seem legit.
That's it. Yeah, we'll get it down to you. We'll chuck her in a truck and get it sent down. And yeah, look forward to seeing it in your hands, and hopefully you can do a good backflip for us like Ryan Brown did on it. Oh, well, that's pretty much it. But get back to Mark and him checking out his GQ. Anyway, let's get back into this.
Other switch. Good. Yep. Goes well too. So.
Is your first turbo car?
No, I've got a GDI, so second now.
Yeah, nice.
Well, I'll tell you now, these turbos.
Go for it, son. I want to hear it go. Shoo. Oh,
5 feet, yeah.
What's that?
5, yeah.
Yeah, 5 feet, yeah. Yeah, boy. It goes harder. Harder than the GDI. What do you reckon? First drive?
Amazing.
Beast. It is. I was saying she goes harder than your GDI, probably.
Yeah, easily. Let's push it out the way.
I loves it.
That's amazing.
That's pretty much it. Massive congrats again.
Thank you.
How about you, Corey? Okay, congratulate him. And yeah, all the best. We're just around the corner if you need anything. If you need us to replace some door locks or anything, if they ever. But yeah, that's it. There you go. Now S13 guy. Here he is. How you going, son?
I'm Jaden.
Nice to meet you.
Hello.
I'm Jason.
There you go, mate.
Alright.
Stoked?
Yeah, I'm keen to.
There's your winning factor.
Yeah.
And that's all you get? No, I'm just kidding. Here she is.
Yeah, different.
Not bad.
It's going to be like on a road. Normal road.
We just raised it up, so
Raised it up.
we raised it up a bit for you so you can get it home.
Yeah.
Still might get stuck. No, you're right. Yeah, he raised it up 50 mil, so it should be fine.
You've done well, this boy.
Lucky.
Lucky boy.
You got one ticket.
I only bought one ticket.
One ticket. Perfect.
How good.
That's a ticket. So you got a car ready? Or?
Yeah, highlights out there.
Yeah, nice. I think if you go club reg on this thing, you actually can legally drive it.
We're looking into you might be able to go.
They're supposed to be stock, but if you just put an airbox, I think, or something, and you've got one intake mod, you might be right.
Yeah.
They,
So
they might look past. If it's clean anyway, then cops will be pretty good.
So it's not been swapped.
Nah, this is factory turbo
It is?
manual.
Factory turbo. Okay. I'm no stars.
I bet he
Make sure
is.
the bonus down. This is going to take the first drive. Quick skid.
Have you driven anything turbo before?
Not with power.
No.
I like turbo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good? Swing hard. Do you want me to hang in? That's it. Send it straight, better. That's it. And get a bit more that way. The most, yeah. I reckon.
That is so cool.
Makes good dosey noises.
It's like nothing over here. So sick.
Oh, massive congratulations again. Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
No worries, dude. So yeah, what happened when you found out?
So I was with a few mates. We're in his shed, and we're watching the live stream, and then yeah, so they announced my name. We're all just going crazy, just celebrating, yelling and screaming.
Yeah, well, it's not normal that
Yeah.
we have like even people don't even pick up sometimes when we
Yeah.
draw their names, but yeah,
We were just going crazy. I didn't even answer my phone like the first time,
yeah.
and then
Freaking out,
you had to
yeah.
ring me again. We're just celebrating. So
Dad driving around. Thanks, guys. What a hoot!